inside the multi-million-dollar lifestyle of Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt. The name equates with Hollywood stardom and cinematic excellence. Has not only conquered the silver screen, but also achieved remarkable success in the realm of wealth and opulence. With a career spanning decades and a fortune that places him among the wealthiest individuals in the entertainment industry, Pitt's lifestyle offers a tantalizing glimpse into the world of the rich and famous. In this video, we will discover the multi-million-dollar lifestyle of Brad Pitt, uncovering his extravagant homes, lavish possessions, and the exclusive experiences that define his life. From luxury real estate to high-end automobiles, Pitt's choices reveal a penchant for the finer things in life, reminding us that his success extends far beyond his acting talent. Hey there! Welcome to New Money Luxury, your all-in-one source for all things about athletes, celebrities, and royalties, where we talk about their lifestyle, spending habits, and luxurious means of living. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and so you won't miss any of our uploads. This Hollywood star has upped his vehicle game since he first became famous. Hot Cars reports that among Pitt's collection of automobiles include a Tesla, a Camaro SS, a Chevrolet Tahoe, an Audi Q7, a Lexus LS 460F Sport, and an Aston Martin Vanquish Carbon Edition. It has been reported by British media that Pitt is an experienced pilot and that he had just purchased for himself a Supermarine Spitfire from the time period of World War II for approximately $3 million after gaining curiosity about the war after filming the movie Fury. According to Business Insider, at the time that he was married to Angelina Jolie, she presented him with a helicopter that had a price tag of $1.6 million. His real estate portfolio is massive. It is important to keep in mind that the majority of Pitt's investments were made during his union and relationship with Angelina Jolie, who is now his ex-wife, since the two of them shared their combined net worth of $555 million. As a result, they are in a position to jointly spend a substantial amount of money, part of which was spent on significant financial investments in real estate. According to Celebrity Net Worth, the value of Pitt's real estate portfolio is estimated to be somewhere around $100 million, and it includes homes in a variety of locations across the world. The pair had properties in France, London, and Los Angeles that they shared for while they were filming in these locations, but they also had other homes scattered throughout even more expensive locations that they had fallen in love with. During the time that they were married, they purchased a home that was built in the 1830s in New Orleans for $3.5 million in 2007, but they auctioned it after their divorce for $4.9 million. A mansion in West London with a value of $16.8 million they purchased in 2012, and a Chateau Miraval in France for $35 million in 2008. In 1994, before Pitt's marriage to Jolie, he purchased Elvira's haunted property in Los Feliz, California, for the price of $1.7 million. Over the years, Pitt has acquired more and more of the neighboring acreage, turning this property into the Los Angeles complex for his family. In 2016, Pitt spent $3.1 million to purchase a private property on the island of Mallorca. He also has ambitions to develop his own hotel in Croatia, which will have a price tag of $2.5 billion. In addition, he purchased a seaside house in Santa Barbara for $4 million in the year 2000. Pitt, much like other Hollywood celebrities, has a great eye for high-end watches. According to Wrist Enthusiast, over the years he has been spotted sporting a Patek Philippe Nautilus 5711, a gold Cartier tank, and because he was appointed as an ambassador for Breitling in 2019, the Breitling Super Chronomat B01 and the Breitling Premier B01 Chronograph 42 Norton. In his most recent flick Bullet Train, he was also spotted wearing items from the brand. In the past, Pitt has committed a sizable portion of his income to the purchase of wedding bands for two of the women he was engaged to at the time. Jennifer Aniston from Friends was unable to say no to Brad Pitt's proposal in 1999 since he presented her with an engagement ring worth $500,000. For his second wedding, which was to Angelina Jolie, the Ad Astra actor proposed with a second engagement ring of the same price, which was followed by a wedding band reported to be worth $250,000. If you include the $1 million that he spent on the day of his marriage with Jennifer Aniston, the total amount that he has spent on marriages comes to at least $2.25 million. Having 6 children is expensive, but he enjoys going out of his way to provide for them. It was reported in 2011 by the Mercury News that Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie were spending a total of $10 million each year on their children, Shiloh, Maddox, Sahara, Vivian, Knox, and Pax Theon. Then there is the trust fund that is reportedly worth $250 million, as reported by Hello. When it comes to charitable contributions, Pitt is generous to a fault, giving millions of dollars to those who are struggling in a variety of ways. Donating his time and energy to charitable causes has been, and continues to be, one of Pitt's top priorities throughout his life. Because of this, he was able to connect with Angelina Jolie, and once they were married, they made it their mission to assist as many people as they could in different parts of the world. They count their trip to Haiti in the aftermath of their country's earthquake as one of the most rewarding volunteer experiences they've ever had. They made a contribution of $1 million to the humanitarian organizations Doctors Without Borders. Additionally, Pitt has assisted those in need in Pakistan, and later, he and Jolie made a donation of $1 million to a UN organization that assists refugees. Additionally, they spent a significant amount of money on Ethiopia, the country from which they adopted their daughter Sahara. In 2008, they made a donation of $2 million to a clinic located in Ethiopia. In addition, Pitt provided housing for those in need and contributed millions of dollars to the relief operations following Hurricane Katrina. The pair has also contributed $1 million to the charitable organization known as Global Action for Children, which is a non-governmental organization that works to assist children and orphans all around the world. In support of equality in marriage, Pitt made a donation of $100,000 to the Human Rights Campaign in 2012, and the couple also established their own foundation, the Jolie Pitt Foundation, in 2006. In the year 2020, Brad Pitt collaborated with the Property Brothers to totally remodel Jean Black's house as a way to show gratitude to his beloved companion and makeup artist. It was made evident during the Celebrity IOU program that it cost a big penny. Nevertheless, Pitt made it abundantly clear that Black earned it. Brad Pitt's multi-million-dollar lifestyle is a blend of glamour, generosity, and a profound appreciation for life's pleasures. It serves as an enduring reminder that the world of Hollywood can not only create megastars, but also individuals who leverage their success to make a difference in the world. Brad Pitt's journey continues to inspire and fascinate, leaving us eager to witness the next chapter in the life of this iconic actor and philanthropist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content, and be sure to comment on other celebrities, athletes, and royalties you would like us to profile in future episodes. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.